Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for supporting my channel. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and share. I still want to reach 1,000 subscribers. Plus, I need to get the views to continue earning on YouTube. So that is vital. That is very, very important to the growth of the channel. So I just want to say, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and just continue to watch the videos on the channel. So today what we'll talk about is the state of emergency that is taking place in the parish of St. James. I would explain the type of state of emergency that it is and give you some information that you can use as a tourist and even as a resident in Jamaica, a returning resident. So a state of emergency is now in effect for the parish of St. James, and was for 14 days, but now it has been extended yesterday in Parliament for 3 more months. So it'll be ending on May the 2nd. So 3 more months it has been extended for. Under the state of emergency, regular business hours are cut. Businesses close earlier, like 2 hours, 3 hours earlier. Nightclubs are closed down earlier, so it don't go straight into the morning. Those are closed down at 12. So it's not like normal operation, and you don't really find a lot of people going out and stuff like that anymore. No, as you know, St. James is also a tourist destination, so tourists will not be affected per se. Yes, things that you want to do in the late night might not, be going on, but you can enjoy stuff in the daytime. You can still move about. Tourists can move about. Normal residents can move about. So it's not an entire shutdown of the city or the parish of St. James. It's just that the government, the security force is searching for criminals, and criminals are actually on the run. There has been progress with this, where 10 guns and numerous amount of ammunition has been found. So the government is trying to dismantle crime in the country. They're trying to disrupt the facilitators of crime. They're trying to catch the criminals, the murderers, the rapers, all of them. They're trying to, round them up, get rid of them, clean up the country, let the country be, as crime free as possible. So I do support this effort by the government. I don't care if it's late or early, as long as something is being done to protect our citizens in Jamaica, because a lot of innocent people are dying. And I want tourists to know that you are not necessarily affected directly. You are not the ones being killed. It's the innocent Jamaicans like me and my friends and family are being killed, are getting in the crossfire. The gang violence is ripping families apart, and it is not right. So I have to share that with my channel. I have to let you guys know what is going on. As I get information, I have to update my channel, I have to update my viewers and let you guys know. No, in Jamaica, there's not a war against tourists. If you are booked to go to St. James and you feel like you don't want to be a part of that, you don't want to experience that, there's tons of other hotels that you can go to around the island. You can go to Kingston, Portland, St. Ann, Negril. You have other places in Jamaica, tourist destination, that you can go to and still enjoy yourself. If Montego Bay is in a state of emergency, which it is, and you want to go to in the night time, you have your friends, you're secured, you go to Kingston. You come to Kingston, you go into the clubs in Kingston, you party, with regular folks, wherever it is, party keep until 2, 3 in the morning. It is a club, so isn't, really have any problem with noise pollution and stuff like that, because you're enjoying yourself in a safe environment. So take that into consideration. So this won't really affect you directly per se. You might not see a lot of people on the road or a lot of vendors and stuff like that, but you can still enjoy your vacation. So don't look at it as, a state of emergency. Oh, Jamaica is under a state of emergency, I can't go there. No, the parish of St. James is under a state of emergency. You can still go to Jamaica. St. James is just a small part of the equation of the country, and you can avoid, St. James. Crime and violence is everywhere, as you know, but tourists are not really affected by this crime and violence. It's more gang members, fighting over guns, fighting over money, killing people, robbing and stealing. But I just want you to be cautious. Those, you know, watching news, watching what is going on, whoever on YouTube you can listen to, they're giving you advice. Don't take the negative advice, take the honest one, that people that are going to be honest with you and tell you what is going on in the country and just give you facts based on their experience growing up there and stuff like that. So just be careful, don't be too flashy, don't attract certain kind of attention to you. Walking groups, because you don't know the place, and it makes no sense for you to wander off, get lost and all of that, and then get yourself in trouble. So walk in groups, ensure that somebody know where you're going, have a tour guide, go with a tour guide. You want to explore the city, if you get familiar with it or you've been there before, you know the ropes, you know where to go, you know what to do, stuff like that. So just enjoy yourself. Don't be fearful. We're very nice people. Again, it's a tourist destination. It's a wonderful island. So I just want to update you guys and let you guys know what is really going on with the state of emergency. So the government is hunting criminals, not tourists. They're doing a good job so far. They're catching them. They're clamping down on them. The state of emergency will still be in effect until May the 2nd. So even if your vacation is, December or whatever, it still comes. Still, plan your vacation. Still keep updating yourself with information. Get the right amount of information that is needed, that is necessary. And just come enjoy yourself, enjoy the country. Don't let this deter you from the island or anywhere else. So I just want to say, be safe, love each other, watch us, protect your sisters and brothers, and just, have fun, live, laugh, and grow. I just want to say thanks again for tuning into JVLOGS. I hope this video helps you. I hope, the little information that I shared is not a lot, can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments section below. You know that I'll respond to you quick as ever. So just ask any questions you want. I'll give you all the information. Just as I get it, I'll share. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Subscribe and share. I need to reach 10,000. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm out.